Guys, it's Sheikha here, or Fiona, and I'm here at Baguio City. Yeah, I'm vlogging, and my cousin is asleep, so my voice is kind of whispers. So I'm just here at the room, and my blue background. Actually, it's a phone. It's a phone. Yeah, and it's kind of cold in here at night. My hair is kind of messy because I just took a shower. It's kind of wet, so I put it up. And today I'm just gonna do my ordinary weekend makeup, and I'm gonna show you guys. So it's just gonna be short. I just need some powder, some enchantress. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so sorry for the bad lighting, but time is 2:59. I'm doing this on afternoon. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my makeup plastic and bring this so I can use it. I'm just gonna go get my powder. So here's my powder, the Caroline. This is not a makeup reading. I'm just gonna show you. It's kind of dark, sorry for the bad lighting. So I'm putting my powder on. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a very light shade of pink eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm using this. This is the thing that I used on my Barbie makeup tutorial. It's really good. Taking this light shade over here. Yeah. Of course, lip balm. Who would forgot this? This is the best one yet. I just like it. So yeah, here's the look. This is a good lighting, but yeah, sorry that mess. So here's the look. It's just a like weekend, nothing to do look. Yeah, and I don't wear makeup too much. I just think of it because I'm bored. My feet are very cold, so I'm just gonna put some brown. Yeah, so my camera just fall, but doesn't have any cracks. So I'm just gonna put some sock because my my feet are very cold. So yeah, taking this brown soap with some triangle, squares that have different colors: white, yellow, pink, and orange. Okay, now my feet are warm. Here's the brown socks. So yeah, peace. Woo! Yeah, I'm just here, laying on the floor, doing nothing. I'm scared if someone opens the door, like my hair will, Yeah, so I'm just gonna talk with you about yesterday. We go to Burnham Park, but I forgot to film. Well, I film alright, but I deleted it, so sorry. Now it's a lazy day. We're just hanging in our room, peasing out, and doing my vlogs. So it's a lazy day today. Just sleeping, waking, eating, sleeping, waking, eating. Yeah, that's my story of today. Okay. I'm scared my phone might fall. So, peace. Yeah, I'm being weird. I just put my phone on something and doing this. Yeah, so weird. So yeah. That's kind of dizzy, so I just put it over here now and do some weird stuff. Yeah. Still, I'm thinking of a title. So I just wanna lay down for a bit. So I just put the foam on the floor and just lay down. And time is this upside down? Is my phone upside down? Where's the? Oh no. There. The time here at Philippines is 3:16. Doing nothing. So a lot of snoring, I guess. Outfit for the day. It's not outfit. It's not OOTD, but I need to show you guys. So I have this really warm t-shirt. It says Color Manila. It's really sparkly. Yeah, it's not cotton. It's something like, I forgot what is that called. I have a cycling shorts that has color blue over here and where's the pink one? Pink over here and yeah, over there. So, and then I have some really cool brown warm socks. So yeah, brown socks. And I have a curly wet hair. Yeah, that's what I have. Wait, I gotta show you something amazing. Like, wow. I'm gonna show you. Whoa, you won't believe this. Yeah, and 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's chilly in here. Look at that view. It's kind of raining, but look at that view. Wow, it's amazing. It's so cool, and I have some outfits over here. So it's kind of covering up, but still you can see it. So it's chilly in here because it's raining. Look at that jacket over there. So it's kind of chilly in there. So I'm just gonna go inside and warm up a bit. Yeah. If you want to go out there, you need to wear some sweaters. Or even some leather sweaters. I can make the camera float. Watch me. Oh my gosh, guys, it's floating. It's going down. Going there. It's floating. I'm scared, but yeah, it's floating. My phone is floating. My phone is floating. Yeah, I don't use camera, but it's awesome. Peace. Fun fact, I'm born with curly hair. Just kidding. My mom made this curl. Well, we go to a parlor and she let my hair curl. So even it gets wet, it's still curly. And I love curly hair, but I'm too lazy to brush my hair. So I'm working with this. Yeah. Wait. Today is whoa. No. Today is actually April 24, 2018. It's 2018, but today is April 24. Yeah, I love it. So, guys, I have a really cool idea. So, my cousin's sleeping there. I have a great idea. I'm gonna show you for 3 kinds of laugh because this is a vlog. This is not a video. Well, it's a video, but it's a vlog. So, I'm gonna show you 3 kinds of people sleeping. So, yeah, I'm so excited. So, let's go to it. Boop. Number 1, the snoring. Number 2, the sleeping with an open eyes. Yeah. And of course, the coolest, the famous, and the thing that I do when I'm sleeping is number 3, the waterfall. What? Oh, I really need to brush my teeth. So tell me, guys, in the comment down below if you do those things, 'cause that's gonna be funny. Well, the thing that I do when I sleep is the waterfall. I always do that every time I sleep a lot. I think, as I tell you earlier, my cousin is asleep. So right now, I think she's a snorer and a open eyes, like this. So yeah, it's so cool. Why did I say it's so cool? Yeah. So yeah, my vlog will end here. So peace out. Hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And of course, hit that notification if you want. So yeah, go do that. And hope you like my vlog. I love baguio. So wait, one thing. We're gonna make chocolate fudge brownie mix. Oh my gosh, yay! I really love it. So yeah, again, bye and peace out. Wait.